Okay, so in the crock pot, I love crock pot meals. We have a pound of chicken, and I just put in some chicken broth and cilantro. I started it early because my producer was a little late, and I want to have this done in like 5 hours. So I'm going to cook it on high for 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, or you can cook it on low if you work and you have to leave for 8 hours. So there's 2 ways, and I'll share that with you.
What
So
about medium?
what?
What about medium?
There's no medium on a crock pot. You have worked with a crock pot before. You know. And I do have to say, the German chocolate cake that I made for Danny's birthday, well, Tori and I made it, was awesome. It was the best cakes that we've made so far. It was delish. So let's go. We have a pound of chicken. I just did a cup of chicken broth. I have a can of white beans that are going to go in there. I might put another can in. You know me, I always embellish. So, and then a can of salsa verde, green salsa. A can of green chilies. I am adding stuff. Okay, I'm not adding, this is not what I'm adding. I'll tell you what I'm adding extra, and I'll add it to the recipe. This is a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm adding a lime to it. That wasn't on the recipe, so I'm going to add that.
Why are you adding it?
Oh my God. To give it I like a lime flavor when I make Mexican food. I'm just going to put that in there. And this right here, and we're putting the whole lime in there, a whole juice of a lime, okay? Here I just got to look at my measurements. A 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, it's mixed in there, and a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, so we're just going to add that in there. Here I have a jalapeno seeded and chopped, an onion chopped, and 3 cloves of garlic chopped. I always do a little extra garlic because my producer's middle brother loves garlic. So I always add extra for him.
Is that not your son?
What?
Is that not just your middle son?
My middle son. I ruined you.
Thanks.
Well, sorry, you are my firstborn, and if I didn't like it, you didn't like it, and I really made you be picky.
So it sounds like it's your fault.
Yeah.
Yes, you did.
It's my fault?
Yeah.
It is my fault. I take full responsibility for that, and I said that. What I'm going to do, see how it is right there? I'm going to probably add more chicken broth, too, to make it more like a saucy one, but that's it. That's really it. I mean, these are the toppings I'm going to chop up later to put on top. An avocado, more lime, cilantro, chopped onion, and a chopped jalapeno, and then I bought like a Mexican mixed cheese to put on top of it, and that's what we're having for dinner. So that's it. That's easy peasy. It's going to cook on high for 4 to 5 hours, and when we come back on this, we'll have the taste test. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. What else, Bill? Check out the press conference. And what's the other one? In the Clinch. Oh, and by the way, I met Chris the Problem Duncan, when I was in Scotland. I don't know if I said that last week, did I? I was so tired when I came back. But I did. I met him, and I'm going to tag him in this because he fights in Vegas. We live in Vegas. We're a Scottish family. I told him whenever he got homesick, he could give us a call.